You all are fine. Welcome to my CR Blogs channel. Today I'll discuss the basic of IELTS. What is IELTS? IELTS is International English Language Testing System. It is totally skills based. There are 4 modules in IELTS, that is listening, reading, writing and speaking. The purpose of IELTS is to assess the English language proficiency of non-native English speakers. It was started in 1980 and there is no difference between the test conducted by British Council and IDP. Moreover, there is no difference between the examiners and marking in the BC and IDP. Both centers exactly have the same test and grading is standardized across the world. IELTS score range is from between 1 to 9. 1 score is for non-user and 9 score is for expert. Even if you will not attempt any question, there is 0 score as well. IELTS is not a difficult exam. Questions are straightforward in IELTS exam and designed to assess how well you can use your English. Moreover, there is no pass or fail in IELTS. There are 2 different modules in IELTS, that is academic and journal reading. If anybody wants to go for the study visa, then they can appear for the academic test, and if anybody wants to go for the PR, they can appear for the journal training test. In IELTS, there are 4 papers: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Speaking and listening tests are both in same modules, but reading and writing tests are different in both modules. Structure of the IELTS consists of speaking, listening, reading and writing. Listening, reading and writing can be on the same day. There will not be any break between these tests, but speaking can be before or after the test depending upon the schedule. Total test time is 2 hours and 45 minutes. Timings for the listening is 30 minutes, and in listening you will also be given the 10 minutes to transfer your answers. For reading you will be given 60 minutes. For academic writing you will be given 60 minutes. And there will be no gap between these 3 tests, and speaking will be for 11 to 15 minutes. Thank you friends.